Finally finished another of our Morristown, New Jersey kitchens, and here's the reveal. 4-seat island, high gloss white kitchen. We opted for flip up upper cabinet doors, and we got 4 here. Everything flips up for good storage over this nice big 8-foot 4-seat island. Really extra large drawers and 36-inch cabinets, triple drawers, everything soft close. Dishwasher, sink. Nice flush built microwave. Convection stove and oven. And counter depth refrigerator. All by Furnish My Space. We'll show the before and after video in one. All that's left is for the painter to come in and change the color on the kitchen walls. But everything else, done to a T.